Hello everyone, welcome to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about field function in Salesforce object query language. We use this fields function in SOQL query to fetch all the fields information from an object. If you don't know what are the fields which are present in an object, or you don't remember the fields names of an object, then in that case you can use this fields function to fetch all the fields information. It can be all the standard fields information, or it can be all the custom fields information, or it can be both standard and custom fields information. Okay, it also helps preventing exceeding the character limits for SOQL queries and the URI length limit for REST integration calls. For suppose an object is having hundreds of fields, if you write all the fields in the SOQL query, you will get the character limit exception. And in the REST integration call, if you write all the fields of an object, then you will get the URI length limit exception. In that case, this fields function will help you to overcome this limit character limit issues. Okay, fields function respects field level security, so it only shows the fields that you have permissions to access. Means if you have in your profile, if you have the field access through profile or permission set, then only you will able to access the field information. Otherwise you won't able to see the field value. For this field function, it accepts the value. It has three values: all, custom, standard. We have to pass the one value. If you pass all value to the fields function, it selects all the fields of an object. If you pass custom to the fields function, it selects all the custom fields of an object. If you pass standard to the fields function, it select all the standard. It is going to fetch all the standard fields information from an object. And for this fields function, if you use the fields function in SOQL query, you have to set the limit less than or equals to 200 records. Then only this field function will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, you can use this field function to reduce the time. Instead of writing all the fields, it will also it will consume a lot of time, consume a lot of time of you, so that you can use this field function in that case. So in my Salesforce org, I will show you how to use the fields keyword. Okay, I have an extension, Salesforce Inspector Reload extension. Okay, here I am going to show you how to use the fields function in SOQL query. So this is an extension icon, so click on this. Here you will see the data export button. Do right click and click on the open link in a new tab. So this extension will open in a new window. Okay, so here I will show you how to use fields function in SOQL query. First write the select keyword, then write the fields function from account. Okay, to this fields function we have to pass the value. Okay, what value you have to pass? All, custom, or standard, right? I will show you. If you don't pass this value to this fields function, what will happen? You won't get the data. Okay, if I pass all to the fields function, then you will get all the fields information. I have already said you, right, we have to limit the records up to 200, right? See, we got the all the fields information, whatever fields which are present in my account object. Okay, you don't have to remember, and you don't have to check what are the what are the fields which are there, which are present in the object in the by going to the setup and going to the object manager. Okay, you can use this fields function to fetch all the fields information. Okay, and after writing the fields function, can I write fields name? No, it won't accept. You will get an error. Okay, it will show you the error. means it will throw an error, duplicate field present, like that. I will see duplicate field selected id, because fields is nothing but a group of fields. Okay, so we have to remove the id. Now I will pass the custom value to this fields function. So it is going to fetch all the custom fields information from this account object. See here, in the account object we only have is account field, is account custom field is present. So this fields function uh, retrieve only one field value. Okay, now I will pass standard value to this fields function. Then it is going to fetch all the standard fields information. See, these are the all the standard fields which are present in the account object. Okay, and in this fields function you have passed the value standard, right? Here you can write the fields names. What are the you can pass only custom fields here. Okay, you have passed the means here fields and the value as you have passed as a standard, right? It is a group of standard fields. Okay, here you can pass the custom field. One field custom field is there, right? What is that? Is active, right? Here you can pass the you can write the custom field. Then it is going to fetch here it means that all the standard fields, and after that we have written the custom field. Okay, we got the data. But suppose I will change the standard keyword to custom. Okay, in the I have it is nothing but group of custom fields. Okay, and is active field is also present. You will get an error, duplicate field selected. But here you can add the standard fields like id, rating, industry. Here you will get the this fields information with all the custom fields, and this standard fields also will be included when you fetch the data. Got it, right? Okay, for suppose for suppose you have the set of ids of an account object. Okay, in that time, in that case, you don't have the you don't need to use the limit function. You don't need to use the limit uh, keyword. Okay, you can use the in keyword, and you can pass the values here. You can pass values up to 200. Here I am passing the account ids. Sorry, I have written the wrong query. Where id in this list of id. See, we have removed the limit 200. If you know the ids, okay, it is less than or equals to 200 ids, you can pass like this. Okay, it is going to work. If you don't know the ids but you want to use the fields function, then you have to use the limit keyword up to 200. You can write the 100, or you can write the 2 also. It is going to work. But more than 200, it is not going to work. You will get an error. Okay, you can use this fields function in child SOQL query also. I will show you. Here I am writing child SOQL query to this account object. Select fields all from contacts. Now I will execute this SOQL query. Here also I need to use the limit. See, we got the result. Okay, you can use this fields function in child SOQL query also. In the you can use the fields function in parent SOQL query, and also you can use this fields function in child query also. Got it right? You can pass the value all, standard or custom. All means it is going to, or fields of all means it is a group of standard and custom fields. If you pass standard to this fields function, it is a group of standard fields. If you pass custom to this fields function, it is a group of custom fields. And after that you can write, uh, if it is a custom, you can write all the standard fields here. Okay, it is going to work. If you pass the standard to this fields function, then you can write all the custom fields after the fields function. It is going to work. See, it got work. Okay. Thank you for watching our video on fields function in SOQL query. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, you can comment you can comment below. I will respond to it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials on Salesforce. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Thank you everyone.